Kaseng jong kini kai ad hoc mentah kasni ka arpatrik ulber arajar arpuar kelap pelong ya kajalang paidbah apa menan malki nakap tamat pensengau ya kajing dawa ke babur ke jongki ya kini kajalang la pelong hadir Rangbah Sorkar kala terwa ban penki tulok beki haga cakaban penong kumki kedan defisit nenda kelang jong kini kai ad hoc kira kentai ya kini kajing penki tulok bat kira penek ya kajing dawa jongki man pen ketikudan ni skul ad hoc kumki defisit.
So we submitted that proposal on 18th of January to the Secretary of Education, which means we can save it directly to the government. Now after that, we call off the agitation program. But now, for 2 months, we can say here, there is no response, we can say. There is no response on the part of the government to solve the problem faced by the teachers. So that's why we gathered here to take a resolution or a decision on what should we do in order to pressurize our demand to the government so that it fulfill our demands and even aspiration.
Hakani kejalang le simatalang ki patki seng jogin hikai hak baklayo jeng kranu no president jong RiKhasi Teachers Association ubra theteng e ya ki Sorkar tak kabaong bagi pun ki Sorkar wat ya i jingdut di barit dulu kira syembe nak Pisa Sorkar kabamut bagi syem nak Pisa jong paidbah.
I do not really understand on my part why are these deputy commissioners, the high-ranking officers and the ministers are being given extra incentives irrespective of a very high salary that they are getting. They get paid how much? 1 lakh plus. Still they need money for what? For petrol? They need money for petrol. They are getting paid 1 lakh plus salary. They need, forget about petrol. It's too expensive now. Let's come a little lower. They need money for a newspaper. Newspaper, 5 rupees. 5 rupees of newspaper. These officers and government officials, they needed to take it from the government. Whose money is it? Our money. Forget about that. Let's come to another thing. They also get incentives for what? Telephone bill. Do we have telephones now? If you recharge now, suppose whatever connection you're using, 700 rupees maximum, you'll get a free incoming, outgoing, plus internet 1.5 GB per day if you need, for free. 3 months, 700. But irrespective of that, you are taking more than what you deserve. All of these small pockets of these money laundering, these monies that you are draining from the system should have been used for the teachers.
Hakan kejarang layo jeng kerandu negeri dia kiseng jon hikai kum kada kajeng kersan lang dia kini kai ad hoc.